Today, I invite you to an extraordinary healing session. I will give you a healing session in the form of a meditation. We attach particular importance to the ears and the tinnitus. And so I ask you to breathe in and out regularly and concentrate on yourself. Feel how you become a little calmer with every breath. And let yourself fall deeper and deeper over the sounds of the words that I speak to you. Relax with every word I say to you. You don't have to do anything right now in these moments. It's enough if you just relax and listen to me. Your inner helpers also hear the words, and so energy already flows into your system. I am beginning to send the first energies to you. And especially at your ears, energy flows now. It flows back and forth between your ears. It slowly flows back and forth, softly and warmly, and begins to heal your ears. Give yourself to this energy and accept it. Your inner helpers support you. And so the energy flows constantly, healing, carrying, loving to you. And now the second energy comes to you. I'm gonna put my thumbs on your first cervical vertebra. And there, let more energies flow to you. Loosening, carrying, love flows through you healing energies flow through the spine into all cells in you. You may feel a tingling sensation, a special warmth. Everything may be. And the energies seek their way. They flow exactly where healing is needed now and where healing may be. Now imagine putting your right hand in my hands. I will now energize your right hand. It is the healing energy that dissolves all hindering structures in your body. So healing energy flows into your right hand. Releasing energy from reality which brings healing. Which will resolve your tinnitus as it is good and right for you. Enjoy every wave of this energy. It does you good. And now give me your left hand and put it in my hands. Imagine that your left hand is in my hands, and I will now send you another energy. An energy that supports the progress of healing. So now healing energy flows into your left hand. It solves the structures that block you, that especially block your tinnitus. Thus, the structures dissolve in your ears from which the tinnitus develops. Drop into the energies and enjoy what is happening now, because it is a healing on the level of your soul with your inner helpers. And still the energy flows into your left hand. Maybe you can already feel your ears getting better. Maybe you can feel how calm and relaxed you are overall. How your ears have completely relaxed and the energies are flowing through you. Now you may put your hands in your lap while I sending you the Samana energy through your whole body at the end. Now Samana flows to you from top to bottom, carries you, balances you, loves you, and heals you. Enjoy how you can enjoy it now and feel your relaxation. Feel your healing as you can feel it. Everything is right as it is. So you are surrounded by healing energy from inside and outside, from the high levels and dimensions of love. The energies will carry you a little longer, even if I end this healing meditation now. The energies are in your body, in your system. Seek their way and work for your supreme good. I thank you for being here today, and I wish you as much healing as possible. And I wish you that you always feel better, because you can repeat this healing session over and over again.